I'm so bricked up right now.
And you are not in me?
Nah, I've been staring at pictures of your mom. She bad.
That's fair. Would you want to have a three-way?
You mean like with you and her?
Yeah.
Yes. 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 I thought this day would never come. I have been watching Perv Mom on the hub for so long.
That's good, I guess.
So when can I fill the bloodline up?
That is a crazy statement, but you can come tonight.
Oh, trust me, I will be coming tonight.
There's one rule, though.
What is it?
You cannot tell my dad, and you cannot fill her up. She is not on birth control.
Dang it. I wanted to watch you eat my kids out of her.
That is diabolical. I'm in. I'll convince her to get a plan B after.
So I get to fill her up?
Yeah, put a few loads in her.
A few? I can go for a while. A few loads might take hours.
Well, good thing I got us some honey packs.
Bet. Well, here's the deal. I can go 2 rounds on top, but after those 2 rounds, I will be tired. So y'all gonna have to do the work after that.
Fair. Can we film this for my OF?
You have an OF?
Yeah, I thought I told you.
No, you did not tell me that.
Well, you don't have to worry. I'm only filming with you. And other women you want to get with.
So no other men?
Nope.
I think you made me jizz.
Huh?
I have to be the luckiest man alive.
There's one thing my fans want, though.
Sure, anything.